Are you tired of weak audio that just doesn't fill your space? Here are the 5 best wall-mounted speakers I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Polk Audio T15. Let's kick things off with the Polk Audio T15, priced at $149. What caught my eye is its promise of deep bass and surround sound capabilities, which can transform your space into a mini theater. If you want a solid entry into wall-mounted audio, this is worth a serious look. So why should you consider the T15? It features a 0.75-inch tweeter and a 5.25-inch dynamic balance driver that work together to produce rich, immersive audio, even when you're cranking it up or keeping it low. With a maximum output power of 100 watts and a frequency response reaching up to 24,000 Hz, it delivers clear sound that fills your room. Not only that, but its wall-mountable design allows for easy installation, making it ideal for home theaters or just enhancing your music experience. Over 500 buyers in the past month seem to agree on its quality. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're just starting your home audio journey, having speakers that provide both clarity and depth is key. Now, here's the thing. Some users reported that the bass might not be powerful enough for serious audiophiles. But honestly, if you're starting out, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. You can always supplement it with a subwoofer later on. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to set up your first home audio system. Skip this one if you're already an experienced audiophile who needs intense bass. For the price, you're getting a fantastic entry point into wall-mounted audio. Now, if the Polk Audio T15's bass concerns you, the next one might just blow you away with its sound clarity and immersive experience. Product number 2, the Klipsch R41SA. The Klipsch R41SA retailing at $149.99. What really grabs my attention is its Dolby Atmos compatibility, which promises to take your movie and music experience to a whole new level. If you want an immersive sound that makes you feel like you're in the action, this is a great option. Here's why this product stands out. The R41SA features a 90° by 90° Tractrix horn that projects sound with incredible clarity and detail. It also boasts a powerful 100 watts maximum output, perfect for filling your space with sound. What's impressive is the linear travel suspension tweeter that minimizes distortion, giving you a clean, natural sound, which is essential when you're trying to enjoy those subtle details in music or film. Plus, it's designed with a sleek appearance that fits seamlessly into any decor. So if you've got the space for it, Klipsch's reputation speaks for itself with a solid following of over 300 recent buyers. However, some folks mention that the speaker can be a bit too directional, which means you'll need to sit in the optimal spot to get the full effect. But if you're looking to enhance your home theater setup and enjoy that surround sound experience, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you love movies and music and want that cinema-like experience at home. Skip this one if you plan on using it in a large room without a dedicated listening area. For the price, you're getting serious audio quality that delivers on its promises. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for outdoor setups. Product number 3, Pyle Waterproof Outdoor Speakers. Let's talk about the Pyle Waterproof Outdoor Speakers, coming in at just $79.99. I was drawn to the price point and the promise of great sound in outdoor environments. If you need speakers that can handle the elements while delivering quality sound, this is one you should definitely consider. What's great about these speakers is their whopping 500 watts of maximum output. This means you can crank up the volume without a hitch, whether you're poolside or having a backyard barbecue. The 6.5-inch aluminum woofer is designed to deliver powerful sound, and the weatherproof construction ensures they can withstand splashes and rain. Plus, they come with rust-proof grills, which is a must if you live in a humid region. So if you want something that you can set up and forget about, this is a winner. With over 200 units sold last month, it seems like a lot of people agree. But here's a catch. The audio quality might not be as refined as more expensive models. Some users found the sound a bit hollow compared to others. But let's be real, for outdoor use, especially at this price, the convenience and durability might outweigh that concern. This is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy music outside without worrying about the weather. Skip this one if you're an audiophile who demands studio-quality sound. Honestly, for the price, they're a fantastic option for outdoor gatherings. Now, if you want something that does well both indoors and outdoors with a more refined sound, the next product might just be what you need.
Product number 4. Edifier P12 Passive Bookshelf Speakers. Priced at $109.99, what caught my attention is their built-in wall mount bracket, making them super easy to install. If you want a speaker that fits seamlessly into your home while delivering rich audio, this is worth considering. These speakers require a receiver or amplifier, which can be a bit of a hassle, but once set up, they provide a fantastic sound experience. The 4-inch bass driver and 19mm silk dome tweeter work together to produce well-balanced audio that fills a room. With a frequency response up to 20,000 Hz, you can catch the subtle nuances in your favorite tracks. Plus, their wooden construction adds a touch of class to your decor. Just over 200 of these units have been sold recently, indicating a solid choice among buyers. Now, the downside is the need for an additional amplifier, which might not suit everyone. If you're looking for a simple plug-and-play solution, this could be frustrating. But for those willing to invest a little more for quality sound, it's a minor hurdle. This is perfect for you if you enjoy listening to music in a cozy room and appreciate quality over convenience. Skip this one if you want something that's ready to go right out of the box. At this price, you're getting a solid build and quality sound that's hard to beat. Finally, if you're looking for outdoor capabilities with excellent performance, the next product is a must-see. Product number 5, Polk Audio Atrium 4. Let's check out the Polk Audio Atrium 4, available for $249. I was impressed with its all-weather durability and powerful bass. If you're looking for wall-mounted speakers that can withstand the elements and provide great sound, this one's for you. These speakers are engineered to handle the outdoors with a rugged build that can withstand heavy rain and extreme temperatures. The 4.5-inch dynamic balance woofer and 3/4-inch anodized aluminum dome tweeter offer exceptional sound quality, ensuring you get a full range of audio. Plus, the installation is a breeze with the speed lock mounting system, making it easy to set them up anywhere in your backyard or patio. With over 200 buyers recently, it's clear that this option resonates with many. However, some users mentioned that the sound is more suited for small to medium spaces, so if you have a large area, this might not fill it as effectively as you'd like, but for most outdoor settings, it should perform just fine. This is perfect for you if you want durable speakers for your patio or garden that don't compromise on sound quality. Skip this one if you only need speakers for indoor use. Given their quality and durability, they provide excellent value for outdoor enthusiasts. Wrapping up, if you're looking for outdoor durability combined with rich sound, this could be your go-to speaker. So let's quickly recap the 5 wall-mounted speakers we covered. The Polk Audio T15 and Klipsch R41SA are great options for immersive audio, while the Pyle waterproof speakers excel in outdoor settings. The Edifier P12 offers quality sound for indoor use, and the Polk Audio Atrium 4 is perfect for those who want durability outside. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Klipsch R41SA because it delivers the finest sound quality for both movies and music. Avoid the Pyle if you're looking for pristine audio quality, as it might not satisfy serious listeners.